Tired of that old email address being linked to your YouTube channel? Let's fix that in a flash. Alright, first things first, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged in. Then look up to the top right corner you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. A menu will pop up, and from there, you need to select Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings, which controls everything about your YouTube channel. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see a bunch of different options. You're going to want to click on Personal Info. Scroll down a little until you see Contact Info. Under this section, find the email address currently linked to your account and click on it. On the next page, you'll see your current email address and some extra information. Find the edit icon. It looks like a little pencil, and click on that. Google will likely ask you to verify it's really you by entering your password, so go ahead and do that and hit next. Now you can enter your new preferred email address. Make sure it's an email you have access to, since you will need to verify it. Then follow the on-screen prompts. Google will send a verification link to your new email. Open that email, click the link, and boom! Your YouTube account email is officially updated. Easy peasy.